Now, softly, gently close your eyes. Let the eyelids drop naturally without any force. After closing the eyes, if there is still some adjustments in the posture necessary, please do that. You can rest your back. Keeping the eyes closed, it's okay to just let go. Bring your attention to yourself, softly ignoring everything else. For that, you may softly, fully breathe once. Slowly breathe out without any force. And relax as you exhale. Now let's begin with a prayerful suggestion that my heart is open to divine energy welcoming His support, His blessings to guide me into deeper meditation. अपने हृदय को परमात्मा की ऊर्जा या दिव्य ऊर्जा के लिए खुल के स्वागत करने दें और रिलैक्स्ड महसूस करें। Now let's begin. Relaxing the toes. So bring your attention to the toes. अपने पैरों की उंगलियों को हल्का सा हिलाएं और महसूस करें कि उनकी मांसपेशियां आराम से शिथिल हो रही हैं। Just relax all the muscles attached to the toes by feeling them, wiggling them once and relaxing them. Feel a healing, loving energy from Mother Earth is entering your body from the toes. Relaxing them. Permit this energy, this healing, loving, very subtle energy to now slowly rise up to relax the feet, the heels, the ankles. Understand that the more we cooperate with this soft, subtle energy, the better the results will be. So cooperate with this. We just have to relax. It's okay even if you feel sleepy. That's okay to let go. Permit yourself to relax, feeling this energy, this healing, very subtle, loving energy to rise up to relax the calf muscles now. Try to ignore all other activities of the body or disturbing elements in the mind. Bringing your attention to the calf muscles now. We can feel the energy rise up to relax the knees now. It's okay to relax. It's okay to let go. Please permit yourself to do so. Allow this energy to move up to the thighs now. Feel it relax each and every part, each and every muscle of the lower limb, and let go. Some of you might be seeing this energy as a soft golden light or sky blue or healthy pink. Whatever naturally comes to the mind is okay. Some others may not be seeing anything, but just feeling it, that also is okay. Even if you are not able to, our subconscious mind is so strong, so potent, so capable that it will relax us. So just permit it to do so. Feel this energy deeply relax the lower part of the body in contact with the chair, the hips, deeply relaxed. Slowly we can feel this energy, this healing energy from Mother Earth rise up to relax all the muscles of the abdomen. Relax. We can feel softly the breathing moving the abdominal muscles. And relaxing them. Permit it to naturally happen. Feel this energy to relax the deeper and internal organs of the abdomen, healing them, relaxing them. It's okay to relax. There is no harm in relaxing and feeling healthy today. Feel this loving, healing energy spread to the internal organs and the lower back now, relaxing all the muscles of the lower back, the middle back. You may adjust your posture accordingly. It's okay to let go. धीरे धीरे हमारे पीठ का निचला भाग अब आराम से शिथिल हो रहा है. हम चाहें तो उस हिसाब से अपना पोस्चर एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. Feel this energy now rise up to relax the upper part of the back. The whole of the back muscles are now relaxed. We know that when the attention, wherever the attention goes, the energy flows. So now, permit your attention to go to the chest muscles along with this divine energy, very subtle, loving energy, to relax the chest muscles. The whole of the torso is now feeling relaxed. We can feel the breath naturally coming and going. This healing divine energy, very subtle, soft energy, is now relaxing the internal organs. My lungs are functioning normally and are relaxed. The heart is functioning naturally and is relaxed. It's okay to relax any heaviness or tension if you feel in this area. Permit it to melt away. Feel the shoulders now melt away into nothingness. Let this energy flow to the upper arms. Feel them relax. The more we cooperate with it, the better it is. The elbows, the forearms, the wrists, let them relax. The hands, the fingertips, all are relaxed. Now softly, slowly bring your attention to the neck muscles. Feel them relax. The neck is stable yet comfortable and relaxed. The muscles of the neck, the bones are relaxed. And we can feel this divine energy, very soft, subtle energy, rise up to relax the face, the jaws, loosen them, let them relax. The muscles around the mouth are relaxed. Muscles around the earlobes are relaxed. Feel all the muscles of the face relax. The muscles of the head, along with the muscles of the hairs, are all relaxed, rejuvenated. The forehead is tension free and relaxed, and the muscles around the eyeballs are also relaxed. The whole body is now deeply relaxed. You can scan yourself internally to see if there is any pain or tension anywhere. Permit this divine energy to work on that area, relaxing it. Now, softly permit your attention to go to the heart area where you feel the heartbeats. There is divine light in all of us. The source of divine light present deep within our hearts is welcoming us, attracting us towards itself. Just permit yourself to get attracted towards it. Like a baby would cradle in the lap of the mother, permit yourself to be here in the inner space of your heart. Permit yourself to get merged in this divine light. We can stay here for as long as we like. We will stay here for another 5 minutes. I will be silent. Feel relaxed. Permit yourself to get absorbed deeper and deeper. If you find your thoughts taking you astray, do not entertain them. Do not fight them either. Just let them be. Remind yourself that you are meditating, softly bringing your attention back to the divine light within the heart. Permit yourself to go deeper and deeper. If for some of you the internal process is complete, you may maintain this peaceful inner relaxed condition. Open the eyelids and record your diary. Others who are taking time, take your own time, there is no hurry. Those who have opened the eyes, please write down in your diary the answer to this question: what do I feel now?